I was in the bakery line. We set up our business in the year 2006 in Kolkata. Initially, we had a smaller 2006 in Kolkata, in a factory and one outlet. Then over the years, we expanded. We moved from there. We took a bigger space, and we opened up a second outlet. We were in 2010. We started supplying breads to Big Bazaar. In fact, a lot of our breads were going to them at that time. So yes, and then we were supplying breads to Big Basket also. We were supplying last at the end before we shut down, unfortunately, because of the pandemic. We were supplying to ITC hotels also for their staff use, basically. So yeah, I mean, I didn't introduce myself. I should have done that in the first go. My name's Reshma. So yes, I was in this line. I was running this thing for 14 years. So no formal training. It was just a passion. I began from home, and my father, who was one of my biggest critics, he pushed me that to go into it in a bigger way. So we started out. I mean, but unfortunately, I do feel that had I remained a home baker, I would have done better. This point is not just baking. I do not do theme cakes because I feel they're extremely labor intensive, and the youngsters today are doing a brilliant job. I mean, I wouldn't come anywhere near them. So I would not want to try something, try my hands on that. So I am doing the regular cakes. There are, brownies, cupcakes, jar cakes, chocolates, and a lot of food. So, focusing on that.